Before we start, remember retros overflowing the stack with 200 A's. With the same characters, it is difficult for us to visualize and calculate the offset. So what we can do here is to replace the A's with unique string. And this can be done through Metasploit pattern generator and offset calculator. But here, we'll just be using this website to generate the unique string. So 200 is being input in here and the unique string is being generated. And we'll copy this unique string over to our POC file. Okay, we'll comment out the first one and remove the 200 A's. We'll be removing this as well, and then we'll paste in the unique string. Okay, and let's save this, and we'll be running the POC file. Alright, so now POC.py is running and it's listening for connection. Then we go to our debugger to start PSCP. Okay. Click on Go. So now when the client triggers a SCP request, the program actually prompts for a user password. And over here, we can enter any password, as the POC file will help us to modify the server response with the protocol message that has the file length filled with 200 unique characters. So let's take a look at the POC file. Yep, it is successfully executed. And what about the registers? Okay, so as we can see, our EIP is actually now overwritten by the content of the unique string. So to know exactly at which offset did the overflow happen, we just have to do some calculation. So we just copy this over to the same website. Yep. So it is found that it is at offset 84. So with this information, we know that 4 bytes of the offset 84, which is at 88, will be the value that overwrites the EIP. So now we will try to change offset 88 to an EIP indicator. Let's say BBBB to check if this works. Okay, so we'll go back to our POC file and remove this. We uncomment this and we change this to offset 84. Then we'll add in our EIP indicator BBBB, which is 42, 42, 42. Alright, so this is done. Now we save the file and we will run this POC file again. Okay, so now POC file is listening again. We will go to our debugger to start PSCP. Okay, restart. Alright, so let's check our EIP. Yep, so our EIP is showing 42, 42, 42, 42, which is our BBBB, and this proves that we are now in control of the EIP. And next I'll hand over to Wei Shen for the jump ESP.